Welcome to the Vintage Coach Winnie Bag Tour. So here we've got obviously a Winnie bag in the color bone. So this nice kind of white, cream, or beige color was called bone. I'm assuming like bone white. It's probably why they named it that. But anyway, this bag, the style number for Winnie's would be 9023. And as far as I know, all Winnie bags were made in the US in the year 1997, which could be why they're pretty rare and sought after. I believe they were only in production for 1 year, so not a ton of them out there. But anyway, I'll give you a quick tour of the bag. So here's what the side looks like, and here's where you could attach the strap if you like, if you want to carry it as a crossbody bag. So that's what it would look like with the strap. And then here's the back. Here's a slip pocket. I have a Winnie bag that I carry in black, and I actually stick my my phone in this back pocket here, and it just sticks out a little bit more, maybe like up to here on the bag when I'm out and about carrying the bag. Then here's the other side and the hang tag. So I'll show you the front again, and then here's what the inside of the bag looks like. So I put paper in there just to retain the shape and storage. So it's very clean inside. This bag, actually, I don't think it was ever used, just because of the condition of the bag. The leather is still pretty, like, you know, somewhat stiff, so I don't think it was ever used, which is really pretty rare, I feel like, to find with Winnie bags especially. It's a rare bag in general, but also to find it in likely never used condition is also very rare. So this is a pretty rare bag to find. But anyway, so the creed is right there. You can kind of see it, yeah. It's made in the US, it says, and then there's the style number 9023. Here's the pocket back there. I can put something back there, but anyway, I'll go ahead and stuff it again just to make sure it retains the shape. But as you can see, it's got almost no wear. It does have a tiny faint like pin mark right there, but you can barely see it. It's also kind of covered by the top handle, but yeah, this bag is just beautiful. I was really excited when I found it. And I'll link it below in our Etsy shop, and just in case you want to check it out further or see more photos of it. It's a really beautiful bag, and I'm sure whoever ends up with it will enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.